Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of the progress on the 67 GTO. I think where we last left off, we were working on the dash. As you can see, the back of the dash has been all cleaned off and coated. No more rust. Wire brushed everything I could, scraped out everything else I could, and coated the entire thing all the way up. Rebuilt the whole front edge of the dash up to the back side of the radius. About right here is where my weld line is, and it's all been metal finished. We'll need hardly any body filler, which is what we want. That was the goal. Everything came out really good on this. We'll be installing this in the car next. Here's where we're at with the car. Yes, it's still on the rotisserie because we got to get that dash in. It's going to be easier to do that dash and get all the welding done without the floor in my way. But as you can see here, I think I already showed this. The whole firewall is done, clean, coated all the way. I've punched all the holes on my rocker panel, as you can see. You can see all the holes. I know the camera's focusing on something else here. I punched all the holes for when I weld the floor in. The rear inner quarters, both sides, have been cleaned and painted. I wire brushed all the loose rust off. They didn't have a lot of paint on them from the factory, which is why they got rust, but that's all been cleaned and painted. So we're pretty much ready to put the dash in this car. And once the dash is in and welded in place, I'll go up underneath. We'll come in through the bottom and we'll get up underneath here, so that we can finish any areas where the weld might have burned through. And then once the dashboard's in, we can go ahead and test fit the floor pan inside the car. I know I mentioned that I've already test fitted on the chassis. It fits really well. So I'm hopeful that it fits in the car as well as it dropped on this chassis. I guess we'll see what happens. But here it is. It's just a quick update. We're getting closer to making this back into a roller. I need to get this off my rotisserie because there's more work scheduled for this piece of equipment, and this is the only one I have. So rather than buy another rotisserie, we'll just get this one off of here. Everything's going well. Stay tuned for more. Probably the next video coming back, we will have the dash in and I will have the floor test fit. Now, one thing I want to show you here, I know I mentioned that I needed to order the seat braces. You can see, thank God, the aftermarket had them. So we have the bucket seat braces here and here. So I got brand new ones. I don't have to use those crusty old ones. So stay tuned. There's more to come. See ya.